This is not the one. Let's get some light on. Beautiful. Right, I'll show you what we're doing when we go through this little hole. No. Crap. I hate working in attics, so at least it's boarded. It's blinding you all. Right. There's a clue what we're doing. There's one there on the floor. We'll take that. The tank, the hot water tank's overflowing. So when I lifted the lid off, this front one, there's a water stain around it, which that has been overflowing at some point. So I had to ring the customer because neither one of them are overflowing at the minute, to see which tank it was. There's no room in here at all. We'll see which tank it was, and he said it was the furthest one. So I shunt that across. Took that out of the way. Mate, this is awkward as hell. It's a part one that's in, and it is constantly dripping, so we're going to swap it out for a part 2. Oh, Jesus Christ, it might look bigger than it is on the camera, but it's not. It's definitely not. Oh hell, I hate it, man. Thankfully we've got an isolation valve right here we can turn off, and then I'm just going to go and open a hot tap downstairs to drain the level of the tank, so the float is not fighting against me. With a bit of luck, that should be off. Didn't bother bringing up all the tools, so I've just brought up basically what I think I'm going to need, which is your fibre washers, a bit of paste, the camera, most important. Otherwise you won't be seeing this. A new ball valve, which I need to put the orifice in, because I pinched it from, if you remember last episode, I stole one out of there. So that needs an orifice in, flathead, grip, spanner, job done. I'm just going to open the hot tap. Rebuild this bad boy. You can go in there. For God's sake, just straighten up, man. Straighten up, soldier. Annoying thing. You can go on there. Spin one of them off. Right. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh, come on with me. Fucking hell. Shitty hooking. Double check it's off. It is. Of course the friggin' whole valve's moving. Why wouldn't it move? I hate attics. And I hate ball valves. There we go. Nothing up with the ball. Always check your balls. No water in it, which is good. give it a little bit of a clean, and we'll put it on the new valve. Spin that round and tighten it back up. BEA. Ah, beautiful. Right, let's push this back through the hole. The innuendos in this episode are absolutely horrendous. Now, in fact, no, we're not going to put that in yet. I'm going to try and clean this fibre washer off this. Full of PTFE. Now we can put it in. Yeah man, where's the nut? There's the nut. Let's take a look inside and make sure that that is square. Is it shite? It is nice then. Right, let's find a fibre washer for that. Bit of paste on it. Belts and braces. Belts and braces. That I think is going to make a blind bit of difference. Beautiful. Oh, just white paste all over my pants. Not good. Switch the water back on. Must be at the right level because it's not filling up. Let's take a look. Don't know if I'll be able to see what kind of level it's at because they've just not got the height to get everything in. Not miles off. Beautiful that. Let's get the lid back on now. Nice and dry. Perfect. Delicious. You know, it's days like this. I wish I put my knee pads in. The next one we've been called out to is a leak from a toilet, or so they believe, but they've isolated it and it's stopped, so hopefully it's tap connector. Everything's dry at the minute. Oh, there we go. Fibre washer. Don't know there's much movement on that though, does there? Then shut that off. Go and get some tools in and swap that out. No movement. I have to wet back the cistern out and undo that to give me a bit of movement. Grim. Bloody hell, that's... Come on. So tight, man. So siliconed in. Dickheads. There we go. A new one. Yes. Well, that didn't work. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Come on. Might swap the ball valve for a brass one. Could I even have a split in the plastic? All I did was undo it and put it back together again, and it decided it was going to seal. It probably swelled up a little bit with the water and helped it seal, but happy days. Nice simple emergency call out. That is going to conclude this week's episode. Short sweet summers, don't forget. They'll be coming back full swing in October with 2 episodes a week. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like just for the sheer crawling around in that roof space. I've still got a bad back, and now we are... That was Friday, we're now on Monday. I must have tweaked something when I've been up there. You're just selling your body for this job, aren't you? And not in a good way either. Anyway, consider subscribing if you haven't done already, and I will catch you on the next one.